guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Hi Lollipop. As promised, we are here today with another basic cooking video in a microwave, and that is how to make an egg curry or omelette curry in a microwave. So without further ado, let's get started.
For making the omelette, today I have taken 2 eggs. Also added some chopped coriander leaves and some pinch of salt. And then beat them with the help of a fork. Now take a microwave safe dish. Add a teaspoon of oil, preferably vegetable oil, and rub them all over the dish. Next, pour in the beaten eggs. Now microwave in normal mode for a minute. So our omelette is ready. Take out from the dish with the help of a spoon or knife and cut them into small triangular pieces. So our omelette is ready. Let's move on to make the curry. For making the curry, I have taken 1 medium-sized roughly chopped onion, half an inch of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of coriander leaves, and 1 medium-sized tomato. So our tomato paste and onion paste are ready. Now take a microwave safe bowl with a lid on it, and don't forget the lid because it is very important. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, pinch of cumin seeds. Mix them with the help of a spoon and then microwave for 3 minutes. My microwave is of 900 watt. Check out your microwave power and then put the timing accordingly. After 3 minutes, take out the bowl and then add the onion ginger paste, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix them all together. Then put on the lid and microwave for 4 more minutes. Then take out the bowl from the microwave, give the onion masala a mix with the help of a spoon and add in the tomato paste at this stage. Also add in 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, and salt to taste. Then give them all a thorough mix, and your masala is ready to go for the microwave. Here once again we have to microwave for 4 minutes and your crispy masala is ready for the next stage. Again give it a thorough mix and then add 2 cups of water for the gravy. And don't forget to put on the lid once more and microwave for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, your omelette curry masala is absolutely ready. Now it's time to add the omelette pieces. Put the pieces one by one inside the bowl and very gently with the help of a spoon soak the pieces inside the curry mix. Now for the final time, microwave for 3 more minutes and your omelette curry is absolutely ready. Garnish it with some coriander leaves and you are good to go to enjoy this lovely omelette curry.
I hope you liked today's recipe of how to make an omelette curry in a microwave. Feel free to comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. So until next time, goodbye.